Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix NVIDIA control panel not opening on your PC. First of all, open your web browser and type in NVIDIA app on your Google search engine and click on the top search result, and it will open official NVIDIA application. Simply click on download now under NVIDIA app and it will download an installer file on your PC. Once downloaded, you have to install that installer file, and once installed, as I have already installed, simply click on the Windows key on your keyboard and type in NVIDIA app, hit enter, and it will open NVIDIA application and you will see this kind of interface. Simply go to the driver section. Now on this section you have two different options: game ready driver and studio driver. Now you have to choose. If you game on your PC, then you have to install and download the latest version of the game ready driver, but if you use creative applications, then you can install the studio driver. For instance, if you do a lot of Photoshop, video editing, this kind of creative stuff, then you have to install studio driver. But if you game on your PC, then you have to select game ready driver. So it's a personal preference. You can install either of them. You cannot install both of them at the same time. Now once you have downloaded the desired driver, as I have installed game ready driver, then what you have to do is close the NVIDIA app, close your web browser, and then check if the problem is fixed or not by opening NVIDIA control panel. But if the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is click on the Windows key on your keyboard and type in services, hit enter. Now click anywhere on the screen and select N to go to the NVIDIA section or N section. You will see NVIDIA display container. Simply double click and then check if the startup type is select automatic or not. If not, then you have to select it to automatic, and after that you have to click on the start button if it's not running. And after that, simply click on apply, click on OK. And then you have to find NVIDIA local system container, double click, do the same, startup type set to automatic, and then click on start and start the service. Once the service status is running, click on apply, click on OK. Close the window, and hopefully after that your problem will be fixed. To check, I will right click my NVIDIA and click on NVIDIA control panel. As you can see, my control panel is now running, and that's simply how you can open NVIDIA control panel. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.